Hello there, lovely people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you one of my favorite Ghanaian local dish called Etor or spicy mashed plantain. Let's get right into it. For this recipe, I'll be using semi-ripe plantain, or you can use a combination of the green plantain and ripe plantain. I'll peel and cut it in three just as you're seeing it, and I'm all done cutting my plantain. I'll then move over to my pot of water which is already boiling, and then I'll add my plantain, a pinch of salt. I'll be adding in some eggs. We'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. If today is your first time on this channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe if you have not done so. God bless you. Like I said earlier, this is a local dish. So to my earthenware, I've added in my shallots and habanero pepper, and then I'll be using my grinding stick to grind. And to that, I'll add my cured fish or momane or salted fish, and then I'll grind as well. My cured fish was roasted, guys, so make sure to roast it before adding it to your dish. Please make sure to remove any bones you come across when you're grinding, especially if you're going to be feeding your kids this dish. I'll then add in about 2 heaping tablespoons of peanut butter, and then I'll continue to grind. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. God bless you. Please continue to share my videos to your community and your friends. Everything is nicely grinded and is looking good, so we'll move on to check on the plantains. It is also nicely cooked, so I'll go ahead and strain the water, and then we'll be adding the plantain to the grinded paste. Before adding my plantain to the paste, I'll first scoop some of the paste and set it on the side, and then we'll be adding it as needed. Now, when you're making a tour or mashed sweet plantain, I would recommend you add the plantain to the paste whilst the plantain is still hot. And as you can see, I'm easily smashing it or mashing it with no problem. Yes. So this is a tip that you can also learn. So at this point, I'll add in the paste that I scoop and set on the side. So you'll be adding the paste according to how spicy you want your mashed sweet plantain. Another ingredient that is very important in this recipe is palm oil. Yes, so we'll be adding some palm oil or drizzling palm oil into it. And please add the palm oil to your preferred amount. You can add more or less. And then I'll continue to mash, and I'm mashing this to my preferred texture. Some people like it lumpy, but I like it very nice and smooth. At this point, I'm all done mashing my sweet plantain. So I'm going to garnish it with my roasted peanuts, and then we'll garnish it with some scallion, and my hard-boiled egg is also going to be added to it. And guys, this meal is so delicious. It is comforting, it is satisfying, and best of all, it is sweet, spicy, and savory dish. Of course, avocado has to represent in this delicious local Ghanaian delicacy. Please kindly share this video to your community and your friends. And guys, when I was enjoying this delicious eto, I just realized that my camera did not capture it. I've been looking for that footage and I couldn't find it. But it is okay. I went ahead to attach an old video of my eto recipe. So this is how we enjoy it. You just take a little bit of everything and then you enjoy this spicy, delicious mashed plantain. Thank you guys so very much. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.